Hey friends, this is Dawn from Marathon, and we are at the mothership and we are enjoying our time. I was looking for Randy, but he's out there somewhere. We're here to do a delivery. We kind of wanted to walk you through what that's like for us. I'm gonna see if I can find Randy and we'll get started. Well, hey, look who I found.
I get in trouble when it's like a kid in a candy store when you've got 12 coaches you can go look at and you can see all the different stages and you can, there's a lot to be learned when we're here, and I try to cram it all in. So
it's like an amusement park for adults.
For Randy it is.
For Randy.
For sure, that's for sure.
Yeah.
So
we just wanted to give you a little insight. Like when we say we're off to deliver a coach or when we sell a coach, we don't just leave the buyer hanging. We meet with them and make sure everything is ready for them. Kind of bridge that gap between them meeting people at Marathon and us.
Yeah, and so we're actually delivering 1347, and we'll be here almost a week. You know, depending on, could be a little shorter. Sometimes customers feel really comfortable within 2 days, but normally we like 3 days. And then of course the customer is going to move into the coach tonight, and stay 2 nights here at Marathon, live in it, get used to it. So, and then we just want to make sure that we're here to bridge those gaps of if they need to see somebody. So
or have any questions.
Yeah.
And keep in mind, when you get a new coach or even a pre-owned coach, you can stay at Marathon as long as you need to, as long as you feel comfortable.
Yeah, definitely.
So there's no time limit where they kick you out of the nest.
Yeah.
You can stay until you're feeling good about it.
Yep. So, and what a great place to give a delivery week, because there's, like I said, you know, it gives us a great chance to look at all the coaches being built while we're here for the delivery. So it's been fun.
Yeah.
Yes. So keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.